The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello everybody, I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook, and today, y'all, this is a part of what I'm working on, okay? This is, excuse the reflection, okay? Excuse the reflection, I'm sorry. This is the checkerboard that I'm working on. This is the back. You know, since it takes so long to get everything done on it, I just wanted to show you that, yeah, I am working on it. It is taking some time, but I'm waiting on those chessmen pieces there. These right here that has the color, they go along with these, okay? They go along with those. And what happened was right here on focus, right here, the little head was cut off, y'all. I don't know what happened, but it was off. And so I was like, oh my gracious. So I, redid that. I'll show you further in the video, but these are the chess pieces. They are cute. They are cute, okay? I had to give y'all something to look at for a minute so I get right, y'all. But they are cute. They are cute. They're working it, y'all. They're working it. They're working it. They're working it. See there? I gotta do my little trimming and stuff like that. But it's not bad. And on these checkers, I'm gonna put a top coat on this part, just to make sure it's nice and shiny and sealed. And get rid of those little pinholes, okay? But y'all, I've got a little crystal here, for one side. That's another crystal that will be for the other side, just to add. Winner takes the crystal or whatever, it doesn't matter, but long as it's something that what can be done. And y'all, I know it looks kind of like it looks kind of like 4th of July. But this will be the side. Oh gosh, yeah, I know it's so much reflection, but this will be the side that is the underside, okay? This is the underside, and when we flip it over, that's where you're gonna see the little surprise. That's where you're gonna see the surprise. So I gotta finish working on the chess pieces, okay? Y'all never mind all my stuff that I have out. I did use Mayspring Turquoise Blue. I used Mayspring Dazzling Diamond. I also use Mayspring Silver Druzy. And I've used the Color Obsession Fire Engine Red. Y'all, I just did this, so I've got to clean it off. And here's my little snowflakes that I used. Okay, they're nice. Okay, whoops that, y'all. I had a little a scare because it was a lizard in here, but anyway. I also used, let me see, can I, don't make a mess, girl. I used the red little stars, and it was a silver star that I used. I poured some of those in there. What else did I, there were some silver ones, some silver stars in here that I used. So you can see some of them a little bit. Let me see if I stand up the right way. You can see some of them a little bit, and those snowflakes there, like the red ones, I used a mold for those. I did those in a mold. Those were some extras that we had. Remember that little angel there? We did that in the live, I think. There's a snowflake there that was made. But, oh yeah, I can't forget this. I also use Lorez Expressions Ocean Deep. See? I was having a lot of oops on that. I liked it that. I liked it that. Oops. So, that's what I did, y'all. And I can't wait to show y'all, like, the final thing, you know. Right here, let me show you right here. We have a little bit of overage, but, you know, you can see it right there. Right there. That's no problem, because I can take and file that off. That's no problem. But I had to make sure that everything was, you know, covered. Like, I had to lean down like here and make sure that those snowflakes was covered in there pretty good. Y'all, I think this is gonna be a winner. Now, y'all did not tell me, y'all didn't tell me on the live to add the red in there, but I thought it would, you know, add some more Christmassy touch to it. A little Christmassy touch, okay? So that's why I added the red. I hope that y'all aren't upset that I added the red. And those little guys, yeah, it's a mess. Those little guys there, they're kind of plain. I just poured those, so it'll probably be like some little bubbles or coming up to the surface like that right there. But I poured all clear, and then I put the fire engine red in there, drizzled it down just a little bit so that it would be nice. It wouldn't just be, you know, totally red or totally clear. But that's what I did. This project was fun. I'm on my third day. The third day, y'all. The third day. And when we flip it over, we're gonna have to use some either we can use the paint, right, like regular paint, or we can use some tester's paint so that we can take it and put in the lines to make those stand out. Okay, so I spent some time on this, y'all. Really, I really spent some time on this. So I hope that y'all gonna end up liking it. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to make the live last night. Okay, I wasn't, y'all. I had to be on grandma duty. I had grandma duty, okay? We all have those moments when we're on grandma duty, okay? If you're a grandmother. Or mommy duty, daddy duty, sister duty, auntie duty. Whatever duty, you know, sometimes you have to be on that duty. But needless to say, I enjoy my duties. So what I've used so much different little things in here. I'm gonna try to link everything, but when the final video comes out, which would probably be so Friday I have a live, which is tomorrow. So I may wait until Saturday to release this video. I don't know. It's according to if I get all of my pieces made with that color, and I get all the pieces made with the red and clear, and I get all the top coats on these, then, you know, I don't know if I can release it, y'all. But this is something y'all have to look forward to. It's a little different, isn't it? Isn't it different? Like, this is a checkerboard, okay? A checkerboard, chessboard, because I've done both, okay? I've done both, and we're just gonna have a good time with that. Now, I do have to say, y'all, listen real carefully, okay? We have a few of our subscribers or members or people that even watch, okay? We have a few that needs our prayer, okay? That's not asking a lot. It's just asking for your humble prayer, okay? Just pray for people. pray for their strength, pray for their health, their wellness. We need to pray for each other, okay? Some of you don't believe in God, and that's fine, okay? Whoever your higher power is, you know, I'm just asking for a little prayer for some of our members and our subscribers and some people that just watch the channel, okay? It's very important to me because, you know, I want to be there for everybody. And I know that when I pray, my prayers, they get answered. And I just want y'all to know, you know, think of someone else, okay? Think of someone else. There's always someone else that has it worse than you. I try to think of that myself sometimes because, you know, I have a hard time thinking about things, praying about things and letting it go, you know, and thinking that, oh, this is the worst ever. But y'all, sometimes someone else has it a little harder than you do. So if you can, and if you will, and if you don't mind, okay, say a little prayer. Say a little prayer for people, you know, try to get in the habit of saying, you know, I'm going to pray for everybody. I want to pray for politicians. I want to pray for the president. I want to pray for, you know, the homeless, the sick, the well, the rich, the poor. I want to pray. I just want to pray for everybody, okay? Get in the habit of saying that. And don't forget, you want to pray for yourself, okay? You want to pray for yourself, you know. But there's other people who has it a little bit worse than you. So just keep everybody in your prayers. Always be positive. Be kind, y'all. Be kind to somebody. Say something kind to someone. Okay? When you say something kind to someone, it helps. It really do help. And you can feel that it helps. It'll make you feel good. Okay? It'll make you feel good to say something positive and something nice to someone else. It don't hurt, y'all. It don't cost nothing. It's nothing. It's really nothing for you to say, oh, how you doing today? You know, sometimes people are thankful that they have someone to even ask, how you doing? You know, you may feel the worst and you may cover up and say, well, okay, you know, I'm doing good. But if you need prayer or you need someone to, you know, give an extra thought into prayer for you, say so. You know, you're not alone. There's nobody out here alone. Okay? There's always somebody out here to be with you, to help you, to understand you, to relate to you. You know, it's so much. And if y'all just think about it, you know, it's really important to me. And that's probably being selfish because I shouldn't say it's important to me, but it is. And so I shall tell the truth about that. It is important to me that everybody, you know, thinks of someone else. So with that being said, okay, y'all have a great day or night whenever you get this video, okay? Have a great day or night. And make sure you say something positive or be kind to someone because you never know. You just never know. And when you never know and someone don't talk to you and don't tell you, then how can you know? So just be positive. Know that you can do whatever it is that you're trying to do. You just got to want to do it, okay? You just got to want to do it. And try hard. I'm gonna get off of this because I'll still keep going. I'll still keep talking, and some of you just not even here for that. Okay, you're not here for that, but sometimes there is someone that needs to hear those words. Okay, you understand me? So I'm gonna really let y'all go. All right, I want y'all to remember that I keep all of y'all in my prayers. And we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, okay? We're gonna make it. I know somehow, and I know some way, we're gonna make it. Hey, that y'all listen to that gospel song, girl. Listen to it, girl. I'm not gonna let the chills go through me because I can't sing, and y'all ain't putting me out there on Front Street, okay? Y'all ain't putting me on Front Street, but I gotta go. I just wanted y'all to see what I was working on so that y'all would know that, you know, I got a surprise coming. So I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.